Hello and welcome to my channel, Food Brainwash. The aim of my channel is to boost your cooking knowledge through a wide variety of different cooking tutorials and food science animations and past exam paper videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. In today's episode, we're going to make orange jelly. Cut your oranges in half. I've added a cheeky lemon into mine just for a little bit of flavour. Make sure you cut them all safely and they're ready for juicing. So now we're going to juice all of our fruit and add the juice into our saucepan. Make sure you squeeze thoroughly to get all of the juice out from each of the pieces of fruit. If you get any rogue pips, just get them out with a spoon. Sponge the gelatin by carefully sprinkling it across the surface of the juice. Allow it to sit aside for a while until it has absorbed all of the juice. Then you're ready to put it on the stove and melt it. So you can see the gelatin has successfully sponged across the top of the juice. Now heat it gently on number 5 on your stove until it's melted. You can add in the caster sugar and the extra water at this point. Once it is thoroughly melted, take it off the heat and set aside, allowing it to cool. Carefully fill up your jelly cups, wiping up any spills, and ensure that you have the same amount in each cup. It's time to refrigerate your jelly for a couple of hours until sometime later. Your jelly has now set. Take the lids off. We just need to make sure, check it by turning it upside down and giving it a good shake. Yes, mine's definitely set. I'm just giving my jelly cups a quick wipe to get rid of any of the extra moisture that you can see. Okay, here comes the fun part. Let's decorate the top of our jelly. I'm going to use the squirty cream and also some hundreds and thousands. And here's the final product, looking very delicious. Can't wait to try it.